The 10th Pattaya International Pigeon Race Season 2025 to 2026, a global stage where champions are born. At PIPR, all pigeons receive equal care, regardless of origin, focusing on health and preparation for competition. A nutritional solution is prepared using Avitestin from Ron-Fried and Dosto, supporting intestinal health, immune defense, and lowering pH in drinking water. A disinfectant footbath with Avitestin eliminates external contaminants during health evaluations. Mixed rice is supplemented with Entrobac, a probiotic that supports healthy intestinal flora in pigeons. Gamba Tabs-R help prevent trichomoniasis and intestinal coccidiosis, ensuring protection from common health issues. Pigeons are placed in quarantine, with supplementary feed provided to support their health and energy levels. Each pigeon's ring number is recorded for identification and traceability. PIPR welcomes participants from around the world, ensuring fairness and transparency in all aspects of care. PIPR, equal care, fair race.